Hello guys, welcome back. My name's Aaron. So today I'm out at RNAS Yeovilton and there's been a jet flying over today. Unfortunately couldn't catch that one on camera. Wish I could though. A few helicopters, but we've got a training plane coming in, so thought I'd show you guys that one. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna come in. But leave a like on this video. So as you can see guys, just down there, it's a few bits and pieces, but I'm gonna cut back to the same frame now as I think I can hear it coming in. Hope you guys enjoy. And touchdown. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.